Now, does it make you feel a bit crazy when your child keeps on throwing things, right? He's on a high chair and then throws his drinking cup and mommy picks it up and throws it again. Okay, this is how they learn cause and effect. So we're going to do this with the shakers. There, you can throw it as much as you want here, okay? We can also try rolling. At this stage, your child learns through sensory stimulation, okay? Which is why in class we encourage bare feet. Okay, bare feet is best for babies. We're going to get them to roll with their bare feet. Also, nowadays, pediatricians do not discourage mouthing. Okay? So, pag sinusubo ng alaga nila, that's fine. Okay? Just as long as it's not a button. This is how they learn also. Sensory stimulation. Okay. Now, we can try rubbing. Look at what Lavin is doing. Who else? What about turning? Now, let's try dancing with our eggs. Can we stand up? Now with a circle dance, you don't have to concern yourself about doing things perfectly. The important thing is we are in a singing circle, and this is actually enough for a child to learn about community. We're going to be shaking. Ready? So let's stand up. This is a little circle dance. Shake, 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 shake. Now we move forward. I love my family, 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 family. Take a look and you won't see. I love my family, 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 family. They're okay with me. Now we turn. So we bounce.